there, DIY lovers! Welcome back to your channel name, your go-to place for home organization, DIY projects, woodworking, and vintage transformations. Today, we're diving into an exciting world of thrift store makeovers. I'll show you how to take budget-friendly thrift store finds and turn them into stylish, one-of-a-kind treasures. Upcycling and repurposing are not only fun, but also sustainable and budget-friendly. Whether you love modern chic, farmhouse rustic, or vintage glam, I've got incredible transformation ideas for you. Let me know in the comments. What's the best thrift store item you've ever upcycled? And if you love DIYs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a creative project. Alright, let's go from ordinary to extraordinary with these thrift store transformations. Why this works. Thrift stores are filled with old picture frames, but did you know you can turn them into elegant jewelry organizers? This project is perfect for keeping your necklaces, earrings, and bracelets neatly displayed. Step-by-step guide. First, remove any glass or backing from the frame. Sand the frame lightly to remove any rough spots. Choose a paint color that complements your decor and apply 2 coats for a smooth finish. Next, cut a piece of chicken wire or decorative metal mesh slightly larger than the frame opening. Use a staple gun to secure the wire to the back of the frame. Then screw in small cup hooks along the bottom for hanging necklaces and bracelets. Finally, mount the frame on the wall or place it on a dresser for an elegant jewelry display. Pro tip: use small S-hooks to hang earrings directly onto the mesh. And there you have it, an affordable, stylish jewelry organizer made from a thrift store frame. Why this works? Vintage suitcases ooze charm, and by adding legs, you can turn them into a stunning coffee table with built-in storage. Step-by-step guide. First, wipe down the suitcase and check for any damaged hinges or clasps. Then, turn the suitcase upside down and mark 4 evenly spaced spots for the legs. Drill small pilot holes and screw in the table legs. Next, stain or paint the legs to match your decor if you like. Finally, the suitcase remains functional, so you can store books, blankets, or keepsakes inside. Pro tip: line the inside of the suitcase with fabric or patterned wallpaper for an extra touch of elegance. How cool is this? A coffee table with built-in storage, stylish and functional. Why this works? Thrift stores often have outdated lamps, but a little paint and creativity can turn them into high-end designer pieces. Step-by-step guide. First, wipe down the lamp and tape off any areas you don't want to paint. Next, apply light, even coats of spray paint for a smooth finish. Then, if the shade is dated, swap it for a modern or textured lampshade. Pro tip: use metallic spray paint for a sleek, luxurious finish, from drab to fab. A simple makeover can make an old lamp look brand new. Why this works? Instead of tossing an old wooden ladder, turn it into a trendy blanket rack, perfect for adding warmth to your living room or bedroom. Step-by-step guide. First, smooth out rough edges with sandpaper. Then, apply wood stain for a rustic finish or chalk paint for a farmhouse vibe. Finally, simply lean the ladder against a wall and drape blankets or towels over the rungs. Pro tip: use S-hooks to hang baskets or fairy lights for extra charm. Who knew an old ladder could add so much character? Why this works? A vintage bread box can be transformed into a hidden charging station to keep cords and devices organized. Step-by-step guide. First, drill a hole in the back large enough for charger cords to pass through. Next, customize with chalk paint, distressed stain, or decoupage. Then, mount a power strip inside the bread box and thread cords through. Pro tip: use labels or dividers to keep cords organized. No more tangled cords. This is such a clever upcycling hack. There you have it, 5 amazing thrift store transformations that are budget-friendly, stylish, and totally unique. Which project was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative DIYs. Thanks for watching and happy thrifting. See you in the next video.